Okay, open it, Rashali. Open it. What's that? What is it? It's chocolate, baby. Open more. Open more. Open the ball. No. Open the next one. Yeah. Open it. More chocolate. Open the next ball. You're good at opening. Come on. Do you need help? Here. Open this one. More chocolate, Rashali. You know, I'll just open it all for you. Open this one. Here. Look how much chocolate you have. Ooh. Uh-oh, these chocolates, they're melted.
And now our second clue is pepper.
Look, baby. Look at all the chocolate. Lucky, go away.
So, what can Blue want to tell us? If we still soaked?
Okay, look at the camera. Say thank you. Look at the camera. Look. Say thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. More.
More? No, I just closed it.